people. Do you guys want to see what I made yesterday? I'm going to show you whether you want to see it or not. I painted this. It says, "Don't be a dick, pee with a dick." And that's a grody urinal that I churched up with flowers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down this waterfall. And then I'm probably just gonna relocate that over by the bathtub. And then I'm gonna take "Don't be a dick, pee with a dick," and put it right over the toilet. And then hopefully people who come in here will only use their dicks to pee. Perhaps. Oh! She's beauty's disgrace! So I'm prepping a canvas right now, and then I have to go get gas, which is honestly fear-inducing. We've all seen what gas stations look like these days. I've got a little round canvas here, and I wanted to make a nice, cute little Easter painting. So I'm actually just trying to kind of relax today, because the rest of my week is going to have to be spent doing schoolwork, because I am at the end of my semester and I have to write a paper, I have to finish a group assignment, and I have to study for an exam, although luckily my exam is not until the end of the month, so I actually have some time off in between such things. I feel like I'm okay for some fucking reason. I don't know. There's a lot you guys don't know right now, and that's just fun. So I'm just gonna paint, and I'm just gonna film some silly videos. Let's go get some gas. I forgot I was filming yesterday. Oh, toast. I finished my Easter painting. The last color is drying right now. I'll show you momentarily. I'll get these eggs in the pan. Right, we did. Your tongue's hanging out, Will. Eggs! Bing. Behold my masterpiece. She's holographic, she's glittery, she's bloody. It's everything that I want in an Easter painting. Yo, I'm building a bomb-ass soup. I hope. I've made a variation of this soup before, but I'm going to be perfectly honest. I have no idea what I put in it. So I've got chicken broth in here, and I'm about to saute some spinach. Chop up this onion while I'm waiting for that. This is a Spanish onion. This entire baby is going in here. This is the rice in which I will be using. So I'm sauteing the spinach, and then I'm going to saute the onions. I transfer the spinach to my bowl. Toss a bit more ghee in here. I love ghee for sauteing. Put my chicken broth on 2 just to start warming it up. Oh, I love the smell of sauteed onion. I love it. I'm gonna chop these up real quick. I'm not actually full on sauteing these, but I am gonna like flash fry them a bit. Here, got it. I want them to get like just the tiniest bit brown, like the zucchinis, and then have just the most itty-bittiest flavor of the sauteed onions, since it's all going together anyway. Get hacked. I think I'm done with this. I'm actually not going to like fuck around with these that much. I'm going to just let it sit and sear. Garlic. Garlic. Toss that around. Oh yeah. If you could smell this. Holy. So funny story. I got broth. It broke. Some mushrooms. I'm just gonna chop these up loosely. Okay, so I want these in little, like, bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna cover this in Old Bay. And I've got some avocado oil heating up in the pan. Okay, so I think I'm at the point of removing the ginger. I just gotta find it. Now I'm going to use refined coconut cream to creamy it up. Waste not, wash not. Alrighty. Beautiful. I realized I haven't shown off my last few pairs of nails. So these are the sim nails that beautiful lady did. Hey. I have approximately 4 programs that I'm working on right now. And I'm possibly having a breakdown. I don't know. I don't know where I'm at. It's been a week. I don't know how I feel about life right now. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So let me fill you in, I guess, a little bit. So I've been working a whole lot. I'm kind of all over the place right now. I am emotionally homeless. If you don't know, you don't know. I did take the kids to the plant con in Mississauga on the weekend, which was really fucking fun. They had a blast. I got a shit ton of plants. So I'll probably have my shorts haul up fairly soon, or it's already up. I honestly couldn't tell you. I know nothing. I just do stuff. Kids got to go in the pool at the hotel. They thought that was freaking fun, especially since my youngest is a fish. And he had actually, I didn't even think about the hotel having a pool. But he had been asking me for like weeks if he could go swimming, because that's all that kid lives for. So he was over the moon when I told him that he could go swimming when we got there. So that was just like great for him. But both of them had fun. And we got some stuff for Buck's Terrarium. So I'm going to have another video or short possibly on that going up soon as well. And I am very slowly but surely working on my spring cleaning series. Last year I didn't spring clean at all. I was in total meltdown mode last year. This year I am too, but it's a different kind of meltdown. This is like a productive meltdown. Like I need to get shit done to keep my brain occupado. Whereas last year it was more of like I literally can't find the will to do anything kind of meltdown. So it's always something, right? I am a dumpster fire. I am chaos. Most of you should know that. Also, I have like a totally random Temu order on the way. It's either going to be here today or tomorrow, I think. Everything's a mystery.